All right, so we're going to look at a number like 1 in 2400ths, and we're going to divide it by a tenth. Ooh, divide it by a tenth. Interesting. Why is this beeping at me? All right, cool. I'm going to divide it by a tenth. So remember that we can think of that as this, 1/10. And if you go back to when we looked at whole numbers and we had like 5 divided by 1/10, we were thinking about how many tenths are in 5, and that gave us a larger answer of 50. Right? So how many tenths are in 5? Well, we're doing the same thing here. How many tenths are in 1 and 2400ths? So our answer is going to grow, but it's going to grow by a power of 10. How much by a power of 10? 1 power of 10. So dividing by 1/10 looks a lot like multiplying by 10. Because what happens is, let's think this out. So how many tenths equal 1 whole? Well, that's 10, right? 10 times 1/10 equals 1 whole. So how many tenths are in 2/10? 2, right? So we have 10 are in 1 whole. How many 1/10ths are in 2/10? That would be 2. So 2 times this equals 0.2, right? And then when we think about the 400ths, how many tenths are in 400ths, starts to get super confusing, I think. So what do we do here? We say what times 0.04, oh wait, no, it's times 10, 1/10 equals 0.04. Well, to get 1/10 of that, we would need to multiply by 4/10, because 4/10 times 1/10 equals 400ths. And if we want to prove that, I'm running out of room, we can say 4/10 times 1/10 equals 400ths. Okay, so see, everything is connecting now. The other thing that you need to understand that might make this simpler for is what is our answer? So we have 10 and 2 and 0.4. It is 12.4. If we look at 12.4 and we look at 1.24, do you notice anything? You should notice anything. You should notice that these 3 digits just shifted to the left 1 spot because we're multiplying by 10. Okay, that's when we're dividing by 1/10. We are also, a different way to look at it is multiplying by 10. Okay, so these things are just going to shift 1 spot to your left.